Hey guys, today we have an unboxing from Qiyi. This is the package they sent me because I got first place in their FTO contest. I believe in here should be their new 9x9, but we'll see if there's anything else. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. This should be the best 9x9 by far on the market, better than Jianqing's 9x9, which was the current, or which was previously the best that we had. Okay, let's see. Alright, so this is what we have inside. And yeah, it does look to be just the 9x9, so let's see how that is. Okay, let me bring out my Dianxing 9x9 to have it as comparison. Alright, this is my ball core version of the 9x9. It's honestly really nice, and I'd love to do more solves on it, but I think with this Qiyi, I will mostly be solving on this if I want to do 9x9. Let's see, how do we want to open this? Okay, honestly, the packaging so far is really, really nice. Let's see. I think Jianqing's presentation for their puzzles are like they're very premium, and I think this one's also not that bad. Oops. Let's see what they have inside. Okay, so here we have. Okay, so we have this box, which I assume has the cube bag and other stuff. Wow. Okay, that's pretty nice. Very large, obviously, to fit the large puzzle. We have some tutorials. I assume they just show reduction method. And we have, what is this? What the heck is this? Is this like a cloth, like a cleaning wipe or something? Wonder why they would have it for a puzzle. I guess they... Okay, interesting. Maybe to wipe off the dust that builds up if you don't solve for a while. I generally have no clue what this is for. This is like the first time I've seen something like this in a cube package. Yeah, so here's the puzzle. Okay, it's like a lot smaller. Is there anything else? Oh, I guess we have a card as well. Nice premium card for the 9x9. Okay, yeah, interesting. And yeah, it's clearly a lot smaller than the Dianxing one. Let's see. Yeah, honestly, really nice size. I think for these bigger cubes, the smaller it is, the better. There's no downside to it. Let's see. Yeah, let's see how this performs. Whoa, it's a lot faster. Every layer is actually really fast. That's really nice to see. Wow. Oh my god. Look at the freaking lube. That's what this must be for then. Oh my goodness. To wipe away the lube. Of course. Of course, of course. Every side. Holy crap. Okay, not every side, but that was an insane amount of lube. Holy crap. It was like it's like I had just dunked it in cooking oil or something. Yeah, the outer layer is honestly much nicer. Here it's, I mean, it's still a really good puzzle, but I think the cheese is just a lot better. So large, like it's like comical to even try to turn this. Yeah, I really enjoy this puzzle so far. Wow, that's actually amazing. I want to do a solve on cam. I don't see if I have a session already for this. Yeah, I'm also really glad they have it. They know what's up. They know how the cube is like before, or like, yeah, before you actually do solves on it. Let's see. 8x9x9, yes. I have exactly one solve, but I think I did a couple more solves afterwards. I think my best is probably just over a 10. So let's see if I can break my PB. I really want to get, let's say, like a sub 10 would be nice, I think, with this. do it. I'm gonna start on here and on the like the whatchamacallit, on CS timer in case that it takes over 10 minutes. I don't remember if this goes over 10 minutes. Pretty sure it does, but just in case, you know, I always want to do that. But yeah, let's scramble this up. Let's do a solve. All right, I think that should be scrambled enough. Oops, let me, yeah, that's a good angle. All right, let's see. I think I probably want to do redux on this, right, rather than Yao. Okay, what color should I do? Actually, I'll just do Yao. No, I'll do redux for sure. Okay. Oops, like that. That. So small, what the heck? It's literally so small. Okay, that's probably not that bad. Orange, obviously. Let's see, like that. No way, what the heck? Oh, okay, it's that one then. the heck? I'm getting so lucky. Oh shit, like that. Oh no. Let's see. How do I get that there? There we go. Let's see. The one inside first. Oh, I should have not done that. Let's see. Okay, that was 1037. Let me check if that's PR. I think that is. That was pretty decent solve, but I messed up a couple times, obviously. Okay, let's go to QPB. Okay, apparently it's not PB. I have a 1004, but so it's quite a bit slower than my PB actually, but I suspect that's probably due to me. I haven't really done Redux in a while, so it's like very new, but yeah, maybe I can do a couple more solves with this and get a sub 10. Right now, let's see what the world best right now is. It's 457 by someone named Chun Pao Ni. So if I can get anywhere near that, maybe like a 7-minute solve or 8-minute even, then I think that'd be pretty good. So yeah. Thanks for watching. This puzzle is really nice, and I'm very happy that I finally got it and won the FTO competition. I was waiting for the results for that for so long, and they finally got out with it. So yeah. All right. See you guys later.